What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you a very interesting tool that you can use to create beautiful custom forms for pretty much anything. If you want to collect information on leads, or if you want to, you're trying to book appointments, you could use this tool to create really customizable and elegant looking, beautiful looking forms just with the help of prompts. Okay, so this is Weavely. I'll leave the link for it in the description. You can test it out for free. It's totally free to try. But before we get into this, it's really easy to use. All you have to do is describe the form. But before I, take you through this, I just want to shed light on something, which is the reason why you might want to use a tool like Weavely. Okay. So first is the UX, UI, and even web designers can use this tool to very easily prompt and create custom and client-specific forms. Okay, so if you're working on a complicated website, especially the web designers, web developers, complicated big e-commerce website or like a big hospital, whatever type of website, instead of doing things manually and coding things manually or using a plugin, let's say if you're building on WordPress, you could really easily use this tool to prompt and create a form really quickly, and it's going to be highly customized. Okay. Second is marketers can easily create a lead generation, lead capture form. Again, this ties into the web development, but then this is going to be more useful for marketers if you want to create a form, like even like a draft to show the developer, right? Marketers can take advantage of this tool as well. Simplify form creation for customer feedback. So this is again very important. There's a lot of businesses who are not very tech savvy, like dental clinics, hospitals. So in that case, they could use a form like this to make, customer feedback really easy. And then of course, you can use this to create, different types of quizzes and surveys. That being said, let's get to the tool and I'll quickly show you how you can prompt in order to create any type of form. So all you have to do is describe your form over here. In case you needed ideas, you could click on any one of this. So we have, for example, contact form, and then it gives a prompt for the contact form, and it also displays how the contact form will look, right? So we have the name, your email and message. A very simple contact form. We can also select the feedback form. So it gives, stars for the rating. You see how we have these stars over here. We also have this slider that helps us rate the cleanliness and the staff friendliness over here. We also have some other types of forms, and then we also have the style, right? So we can very easily change the style of the form. Just look at this, it's so easy to do and it looks great as well. So what I'll do is I'll just refresh this page and add in a prompt of my own. So I'll paste in create a form that lets people add their review on food ordered in a restaurant. Okay, and then I've added some more details. Oops, I'll just close this, and then I'll click on generate. So I had mentioned this as well. So a place where they can enter their name and they can rate the food and the service with the help of these sliders. So very well done. Okay, I also have a prompt for the style. But before that, I'll just show you how it looks in these different designs. So if I click on slick light, slick dark, you see this looks so cool. And this is actually my favorite, which is the glass morphism. It looks amazing. All right. But I'll go ahead and add in a really easy and really basic prompt where I'm telling it to make the background and buttons red. Generate this, and then you see it has made the background and the buttons red. We'll see how this looks in mobile, and you see this is how it looks. Now, of course, this is AI, so you'll have to prompt in the details of the form. But then I think that it's really easy to use this tool to create really beautiful looking forms, like even this one on mobile. It looks lovely. So I'll just go ahead with this for now. Next, what you want to do, once you're happy with the form, you can go ahead and click on publish this form. Then you'll have to name your form. So I'll just name this the restaurant form. Click on get link. And there we have it. Our form is ready. We can copy this URL and share it with whoever we'd like. You see, this is how it looks, right? We have a powered by Weavely down over here, and we have all these sliders. So what I'll do is I'll just add in my name. Okay. Rate my food. Okay. I rate the ambience. Okay, and then submit. this form. You see, it tells us then your form was submitted successfully. So what we'll do is we'll go back and we'll go to form data. And you see that we have our data over here, right? It gives us the name and the ratings that we had rated on our form. So this is how easy it is to use this tool. Now, of course, there are some additional things that you can do as well. First things first, once there's enough data, it's going to populate over here. And once you have enough data and you want to download it, just go ahead and click on download CSV, and then it'll get downloaded in an Excel format. You can also upload it to your sheets. Another thing is, if I click on forms, you'll see that I have my restaurant form card over here, and there's a few different options. So I can, of course, preview my form, the form that we've created. We can also see the results, which I showed you just now, where we have all the data, and we can also share it. So we have the URL over here that I showed. You can copy and share it wherever, in social media or in email, wherever. But you could also embed this in your website if you plan to do that. You know, if you're a web developer, you're creating this for your client, you can very easily embed this HTML snippet into the website as well. There's also a few more features. So if you see over, there's a little eye, so that shows you how many times your form has been viewed and submitted, so on and so forth. Now, Weavely is also currently working on a full-fledged version of this, so there's going to be way more features. That's what I've been told. So you need to keep your eyes out for that as well. But if you want to take advantage of the form feature, you can very easily head over to Weavely.ai. I'm going to leave a link in the description, so you can head over, create forms easily. It's free. Test it out for yourself. I'm pretty sure you're going to like the process. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.